So guys, if you lost the ZLINK app from your Android car system and trying to install it back and probably you're not getting it anywhere else, well, this is the right video. So in this video, I'll give you the straight up APK file link for the ZLINK so you can download it, install it and start using wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay straight away on your system. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. Well, all this time the only way to get the ZLINK app was to install back the entire ROM back onto the Android car system. Well, not anymore. Well, do note that this trick will work only with those systems which had ZLINK app installed previously. So if your system never had a ZLINK app and if you're trying to install it via the APK which I'm going to provide you, this is probably not going to work. So make sure your system already had a ZLINK app and maybe you've deleted it because of a number of reasons and you're just trying to get it back. So these are the steps which you need to follow in order to download and install the ZLINK APK. Well, you can try to do this directly on the system, which is a much faster way. So just in your Android car system, open up the YouTube, open this particular video and click on the description. You'll find the link to download the ZLINK APK right down below in the description. Click on that particular link. You'll download the APK file onto your Android car system. And once downloaded, open up the file manager, click on the APK file and move ahead and install the particular app. In case if you're watching this video on your smartphone or on your PC, just download the file, save it to a particular location and transfer it to a pen drive or a memory storage device. Then use that pen drive, insert it into your Android car system and access the file manager. So once you open up the file using the file manager, click on the APK file, follow the instructions, install the APK file and you'll get back the ZLINK app. Also do note that once you've installed the app and once you try to open it, it will say that this app is not registered. So all you need to do now is go ahead and restart the system, power off the system and power it back on again, and your ZLINK app will be ready to use as before and you'll be able to use wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as you were using all the while until you uninstall the app. So this is the most simple and the easiest way to get the ZLINK app back on your system if you have uninstalled it unintentionally. So if you are able to install the app back on your system and if this video has helped you out, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. You can also check back on some of my other videos wherein I've showed you how you can use wireless Android Auto without using the ZLINK APK. Well, the link to that particular video will be in the description. You can check that out as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.